Hey there, everyone, everybody. Welcome back to Scott's Thoughts and Stuff. We never have to feel alone. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and that notification bell, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And please share my videos on other social media. And before I go any further, I want to really thank everyone that everyone that tunes into my videos and watches and stuff. It's really greatly appreciated. I don't think I've actually done that, or really actually said thank you for everyone that's actually tuning into my videos and watching me share my stuff. So thank you all so very much. So yeah, so we're back out here at Ojibwe Parkway, and gonna go on a nature walk. I'm just gonna share some thoughts and stuff. So let's get to it. Hey everyone. So yeah, I'm trying to get more motivated, and weather's nicer today, so I wanted to get out here in nature and try to decompress and stuff and talk about some stuff that's going on. So I guess one of the biggest things that's going on right now in my life is in a home with too many humans residing in it. So I have a lot of anxiety, and I'm trying to cope. So one of the best ways to know how to cope is getting out in here in nature and you know, just breathe. Just take a breath, just breathe. So yeah, so lots of people in the home right now. It's me and my partner and her two daughters and one of her daughter's fiance and another daughter's boyfriend, and just a lot of bodies, and it's getting stressful. So I'm trying to save on hydro, and some comes home last night, and I'm up because I'm just trying to stay on midnight mode for work, and I got a couple days off, and so I thought I'd get up. I thought I'd spend some time in the evening doing some cleaning, and someone comes home and starts shutting off all the lights, and I'm trying to do housework. So I'm a little stressed about that. But I just needed to get out of the house. I needed to go for a drive. I guess I just needed some me time. I got the camera turned around for you guys this time so you can actually see what's going on. So yeah, I really appreciate everyone that tunes into my videos and leaves comments down below there, you know, saying thank you or welcome back if I haven't been on for a while, and it means a lot to me. It really does. I have a lot of gratitude for you guys. But I don't ever think I've actually formally said thank you to everyone that's tuned in. I may have, but I don't remember. So thank you. I'm hoping, because it's a little bit earlier in the day that I'd usually be out here, so maybe we'll see some beasties and have an awesome adventure. Well, it's always an awesome adventure. You never know what you're gonna see or encounter or whatnot. So I don't know. It's got lots of stuff's going on around the planet and around the planet. Yeah. Around. Yeah, no one knows anymore. So many theories out there. What's going on? Got all kinds of natural disasters going on. Hawaii exploding, and everything. All kinds of animals and marine life just washing up on shore and falling out of the sky. It's totally insane. Oh. Yeah, I had to get rid of some stuff on my phone so I can continue recording. So yeah, I want to make sure I could continue this video. So I don't know. I still can't understand a lot of stuff that's going on in society and whatnot. I'm stressed. I shouldn't be so stressed. Life isn't hard. I just don't know why my feelings are so unmanageable right now. I feel out of sorts. So I just want to get out here in nature. Get some fresh air. It's nice and cool, and the shade under the trees is pretty warm out again today. I don't know. I just kind of want to just come out here and just do a rant, I guess. So rant on. There are two genders, male and female. If you're gay, that's great. If you're bi, that's great. If you're born with both sets of parts, and I understand that. But people don't feel like they're the right gender, they get a sex change. I understand that. But the amount there is of identifying is ludicrous. Oh my God. There's a monetary system that's all broken, and everyone's all these different countries are dumping the petrodollar, and it's craziness. Sometimes I just wish our alien overlords would just show up and eat all the politicians, and I don't know. Oh my God. I do agree that the planet needs a reset. I do agree with that. So, sounds scary, but something's got to happen, something's got to give. I don't know even what shape that's gonna take, if it's gonna be a nuclear war or what's gonna happen. I think the world's just gonna implode within itself. Oh my God. End up having another ice age. And according to scientists, we've already had like 6 ice ages. So something's due. I really hope we can see some animals today. But as long as there's some kind of nature, wilderness, ways to forage for food, hunt animals for food and clothing, and that's how it used to be, living off the land. Our ancestors did it. So you hear the birds chirping, and just trying to get myself more grounded and centered again. We went to someone's wedding, and someone asked me if when I was getting married again, or if I was getting married or whatever, and I'm like, been married twice, not really interested in getting married again. Pretty much the marriage is a dirty word, an M word, and I don't know. It's like, I don't even think anyone gets it right anymore. There's more divorces and people to stay together. You know, my grandparents were together for like, what, 50 years, 60 years. I don't see that anymore. So I'm happy and fulfilled in the situation I'm in right now. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. You're happy and content, and why try to fix something that's not broken, right? I'd like to hear your thoughts on that too in the comment section down below there. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like again. I play the tape all the way to the end, and I know I'm not good as a married person, so been divorced twice, so learning how to be a partner instead of just a husband is a big difference. Just being married and being partners is totally different, and I'm learning how to be a partner today, and it's much more fulfilling and much more equal, and no one's trying to change the other person, and when you're with someone that wants the same things out of life as you do, why change? Why change that situation with a piece of paper to just say, okay, well, we don't need a piece of paper to say we're happy, to say we're content, to say we're equal, to say any of that stuff. It's not necessary. It's just cruel and unusual. know, just conform to the ideology of what's politically correct, right? Well, I've said it many times before, I'm not politically correct. I'm far from that. So, what would be the point of feeding into that narrative of everyone else is doing it, so let's just do it just for the hell of it? It's not worth it in the long run. It's really not worth it in the long run at all. Because there hasn't been a long run. In my life anyway. My longest marriage was 7 years. My first marriage was less than a year. So I don't need a society telling me what's politically correct. I know I've been talking of a lot of other kinds of topics and stuff on my channel here. Not so much of the lighter stuff I was earlier in the beginning of my channel, but I need an outlet to be able to share thoughts, and that's what this platform is for, right? So sharing your thoughts on different topics and issues, and getting feedback from like-minded people and or unlike-minded people, you know? That's where diversity comes into, right? So you gotta weigh the pros and the cons with every situation, right? So I'm willing to be open-minded to different ways of thinking and whatnot, because that's how I stay sane. You know, something you've been doing just doesn't seem to be working anymore, then maybe it's time to try something new. So yeah, I was saying we had gone to a wedding, and one of Jacqueline's daughters got married, and they were supposed to be getting a house, being able to put down a down payment on a home, and that's not going to happen again for a while. I'm not sure exactly how long, but the house is really full, and I think we're all stressed. Yeah. So I know what I need to do to be able to decompress as much as possible and get my stuff together, go back to the grind. I've been working a lot, so I've been able to put more money towards the household bills and stuff like that, so I feel really awesome about that. Looks like I've been working more 40-hour weeks, which is great. It's just finding the time to allocate for family stuff too, right? So, and time for myself, time to go run chores. I'm probably gonna go get an oil change on the car when I'm finished here. I might go get some physiotherapy for my back, and just keep moving. I just gotta keep moving. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. It's Thursday, so I might go to a meeting tonight. I need to get to more of those. It's probably another aspect of my stress, no doubt. I haven't been to a whole lot at all lately. I'm working a lot and making sure I'm getting enough sleep for work. So I gotta make sure I keep on top of that as much as possible too. And coming out on these walks helps me get my thoughts in order, you know, and that helps a lot. Having an outlet to talk to you guys, share my thoughts, get some feedback, get some, you know, you guys always give me lots of positive feedback too, so that really helps a lot. And I've been trying, been asking people to remind me, hey, you know, or ask me every once in a while, have you been doing a video lately? So I've been trying to work at it so people don't have to, I don't go so long with, so people don't have to ask me. So I want to be able to get at least, I think what I want to do is I want to try to get at least 2 or 3 videos out a week, just to get back into the swing of things, and to make sure I keep some fresh content on my channel. And you know, I'm always checking my messages and like emails and stuff like that. So, you know, you guys, whoever want to just get in touch with me, you know, you can get in touch with me at skyoak69@gmail.com. That's sky like the tree, or sky like the sky, oak like the tree, 69@gmail.com. Just email me if you want to talk or chat, or if you live close, meet up, whatever. Just be cool to meet some you guys, and maybe we'll hang out and have coffee or something, or work on a video together, go on a nature walk. You got an idea for a video yourself, you can do that together. I'm open to all kinds of ideas. Just, like I said, I want to stay open-minded to different ideas and thoughts and methods of doing stuff. I know I haven't been doing a whole lot of editing on my videos and stuff like that lately, but I just need to stay active. I need to do my best to communicate, do my best to use this outlet to be able to get stuff off my mind. And when I get out here and share what's on my mind, it makes life easier. Gives me a chance to empty my brain and cleanse my soul and get grounded and feel healthier. I'm stressed and tense and angry or upset or sad or just plain old emotional. I'm not balanced. I'm not serene. I'm not all that positive stuff that I want to be. I usually am. I just want to make sure I'm out here doing my best to cleanse me, cleanse my soul, cleanse my brain, and just keep moving forward. Keep living. Stay alive. Stay out of depression and just live a healthy life. We all deserve to live a healthy life. So, I just want to, again, thank you all for all the positive feedback you send me. All the positive vibes. But if I'm not making videos and I'm not sharing what's on my mind and not out in nature or somewhere or out on the back deck or wherever I am at that moment, making a video and getting stuff off my brain, and I'm just stewing in it, right? I'm just sitting in it. I don't want to sit in my crap. I want to move past it and let stuff go. There's all kinds of stuff that, you know, I don't even know if I want to say I can't change, because that's the problem. People have a "it's not my problem" mentality. Well, if no one stands up and says, "Hey, this is a problem," then nothing will be addressed. It's like people speaking out at the schools and in Parliament, and you know, people speak out and then they got ostracized because, oh, that's an unpopular way of viewing a situation. Well, you're gonna have to deal with a lot of uncomfortableness if you're gonna move past something that's broken and try something different. It's not gonna be easy. Change is hard, and it takes work. You know, if people don't want to do the work to make change, then nothing's going to change. I had to do a lot of work in my own life to make change. It wasn't easy, it was hard. But the more and more I tried and had the willingness to make more change, things got better. It got pretty rough there for a while in the beginning of my recovery. But you know, you just gotta keep in the beginning, and then you can start making bigger changes later on. But you gotta make some, you know, you can't just go and say, okay, we're totally done with whatever this is. You gotta kind of work around it and get ideas and do some brainstorming and, you know, have committees. You know, if you don't have a whole bunch of different ideas to work with, and all you have is, okay, well, this is what's being dictated to you and this is what we want, make it happen, that don't work. That don't work. Just make it happen. Well, things just don't work that way. That's not reality. I'm getting better with my life stuff because I have all kinds of different people sharing their stuff with me, so it makes it easier for me to share my stuff. That's how the process works. You just don't get dictated, okay, this is what it's supposed to look like, make it work. That don't work. No one wants to be told what to do. People want to be able to have options. People need to be able to know that that their thoughts are valid, that their ideas are valid, that at least they're going to try to excuse me. Going to try to work with what has been suggested as well, not just what's being dictated to them. I needed suggestions. That's what recovery is all about. They suggested to me that, hey, maybe I may need to make change. Here's some tools. It's up to you to use them or not. You know, I never told what to do. I've given many suggestions what to do, and then it's my choice. And I can either use those tools or not. And that's why things have just become so broken in society now, I believe now. So instead of just having options or everyone's voice being heard, it's just being dictated. This is what we want it to look like, make it work. And that's not a good way to to work anything. It's not. You need ideas, you need feedback, you need reinforcement, you need multitudes of people to say, okay, well, let's try this. You need ideas. You need people's thoughts and views on different topics. We don't need more of what's broken already. People shouldn't go to work and dread having to go to work. Like, I'm grateful to even be working. And I work with all kinds of people that are like, it's the best time of the day, it's time to go home, because this place sucks, pretty much. Don't want to be here anymore. Well, if you don't want to be here anymore, what the hell are you doing here? I understand it's hard to get jobs, but you're tired of working for the man, then create your own employment. I got my books. I have a second income coming in as well, a little bit. So you don't want to work for someone, then you have an option of creating your own opportunities. And you're creating your own opportunities, and you're happy and fulfilled in what you're doing, then it's not work. A lot of the times I go to work to decompress, to get away, to blow off steam, or, you know, just to doing something constructive. And you feel like you're being constructive instead of destructive. And that's awesome. Hold on.
Mom and Dad.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi.
Very well, thanks. So, I don't know. I got a feeling there's going to be more jobs available soon. I don't know why. It might not seem like it at the moment. There's all kinds of everything being automated and all kinds of AI stuff and robots and all this, but even at that, everything is sustainable up to a point. Everyone's got to, no? If there's all these robots, that means there's going to be maintenance, there's going to be upgrades, there's going to be all kinds of stuff, and now, I don't know. Seems like there's a whole lot of jobs being created in the U.S. And last time I heard, oil prices were going down. So hopefully we'll see some kind of an impact here in Canada with that as well. Taxes and whatnot, especially at the gas stations and stuff, which would be great. I just need to get out here and blow off some steam. I take the opportunity to get out in nature when I have an opportunity to do so, instead of just sitting at home. I was gonna go for a drive last night, but I didn't know where to go really, so I didn't want to go to the casino. I'm trying to be responsible. Got bills and we need a roof, and I still need to get my car fixed and still drivable, but I gotta work on it a little bit and see if I can get it to run a little bit better. Feeling a little lighter. I needed to come out into a calmer environment. Nature is always a good go-to. Breathe in the nature smells. I haven't seen any beasties yet, but that's alright. I just need to get out of the house. I don't know what happened. I ran out of space on my phone, so I had to get rid of some older videos and whatnot. I have to get some more space on my phone again. My SD got filled up. I'm gonna see if I can offload some of them onto my laptop. And I'm really grateful for everyone that watches my videos and gives me feedback. It's nice to come out here throughout the year and see the different growth, and in the fall see the leaves change and fall off, and it's really awesome that the park's open all year round too. So really kind of yucky to come out in the winter time, but the fall's really nice. It's nice and refreshing and rejuvenating. And I'm grateful there's somewhere to come and chill, experience nature. Hold on a second. Hello.
How are you?
Well, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
I finally moved this tree out of the pathway. Last time I came over here a couple times, it's been right in the path. So I'm really hoping that I can get myself a camera, an actual camera, very soon. If it's supposed to happen, it'll happen. If I'm not able to pick one up on my own, maybe I'll get one for one of the holidays or something. Christmas or my birthday or... Alright, like I said, we really gotta get a roof. A new roof. It's gotta be reshingled. So that's priority one right now, because it's not gonna sustain another winter. Almost to the turtle pond again. Peek there. Let's see what's going on over here by the water. I really would like to have somewhere I knew I could go to be close to the water. I could go down to Windsor and stuff, maybe get closer to the water there, but I want to be able to touch the water. So maybe I'll ask Jacqueline where it'd be best to go, that would be the closest to go to a nice place where there's some water. I used to be able to go fishing anytime I wanted, and I really miss doing that. Thought about fishing earlier today. I love fishing. In Salters Pond, it's not a great place to fish, so I haven't been doing that. Alright, so let's see. Turtle. Let's see if we can see some turtles or something else. I don't see any turtles there. Oh, there's one. There's one over the little baby one over there on a log, or you guys probably can't see it. It's a harder way to see it there. But there was one. Yay, turtle! They're my favorite. Love turtles. Oh, squirrel! You guys probably seen that one. I just missed it. Almost did it. So, hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm feeling a bit more relaxed. A little bit more positive. More grounded. I have to take care of some chores, some errands and stuff before I get home. And then, like I said, I made hit a meeting tonight. Use it. That's probably why I'm feeling so blah. Didn't get to the Tuesday meeting. Right. Oh. Almost done the walk. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and stuff that I've shared. I'd like to hear your opinions and your thoughts in the comments below. That'd be awesome. And please don't forget to share my videos on other social media as well. I'm trying to try to grow the channel. That'd be awesome. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I like to meet new people, get new people's feedback, and I like to meet new friends. Because this isn't about subscribers, it's about friends, right? You're not just a number. And always remember, you're never alone. There's always someone listening. Okay, we got a turtle down here. You guys can see him out there on that log or not. Oh my gosh. But there's a turtle out there on that log out there. I don't think I see any other turtles, but there's a better look at the turtle there. He's sunning himself. Right. Let's get back up on the trail. Stay out of the long grass because the ticks have been really bad. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're all staying safe and warm, and I'll see you all again very soon. Have a wonderful day.